How you guys doing? Today I was gonna do a 100,000 gold crate opening. Today's the release of 0.6.7 iOS build 35. I just downloaded it about 4 hours ago, maybe. Anyways, they fixed the issue right here with gear ratios where they were all messed up, man. They were all messed up. So that's working. Wheelie mechanics are still all messed up. I know I have that set to max wheelie, but ignore that. So we're gonna see if we can get some new cars. So I know I just went in there, but I'm gonna show you what we're hunting for real quick. So out the supercar pack, we want that Aston Martin right there, that green one that just popped up. Then we want that Ford that just popped up. I think that is it. When it just comes, oh yeah, the Ferrari right there, the McLaren Speedtail, that Pagani right there. I have two different Paganis, but I don't have that one. I want that one. Or that Aventador. I don't have that Aventador either. I might as well just buy that pack, but that's not going to happen. So, we're going to go here. Look at some of these crates. It's new. The pistons are new. That car is not new. That car is not new. That supercharger is brand new. I already have one. I forgot what car it's on, but I got it on something. So, new motor. So, I hope I get that one. I'm excited for that one. Looks like an old school Hemi. So, we'll see if it makes 425 horsepower all Hemi with that motor right there too. But let's get to it. Oh, there you go. That's a good car right there. That's my second one now. Second one of them. Uh-oh. That's cool. Guess I can screenshot that in case I don't find anything cool. I know I will, though. Oh, that's... I think I already have that. Yeah, some common, some... Ooh, F40. Nice. God, freaking Chargers, Corvettes, Mustang. Ooh, there we go. Make that my screen. Ooh, McLaren Speedtail. There we go. That's what we were going for right there, boys. Alright, let's start working on some of these. New motor, some legendary parts. Let's get it. There we go. There's one. There might be a better clutch, though. I'm not sure. Ooh, there it is. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's the new pistons. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, fuck. My bad, guys. $205. Nah, those aren't it. There's some 210s. Those are 205. I know there's some 210s out there. It might be those. So I know there's some 195s as well. So it could be. That could be. But I think we got pretty much all the new cars. I don't think there's anything else I really... I don't have the new legendary turbo. Stuff like that. Uh-oh. There we go. Let's get a screenshot of that, too. There it is. That's what we were looking for. What's it say? It doesn't even have a percentile for that. Let's see, custom. Look at that. Oh, so those were the 195s. What is this? RD coded? Those aren't even that good. Let's see. I want the new turbo. Come on. Okay. Man, I'm getting a bunch of good stuff now. Ooh. Bro. Yes. That's really what we wanted right there. Okay. I'm gonna calm down. No, I want that motor too. Let's see. Oh, I got two of them now. Two of them are decoded. That's cool. I can find out what kind of RB that is. Okay. I'm gonna do some of these. We know what y'all want to see. Ooh, got a Bugatti. Ooh, got a Honda too. Got another Honda. Got a Lambo. Oh, man, we're running out. That's a good one. All right, what we gonna get for the last one? It's the last car. Oh, I got a Lotus. Yes! That was the last motor I think I could have got, too. The very last one. Nice. So we ended this on a win, guys. We ended this on a win. I'm just going to go ahead and use the last two. Oh, that's a win, too. I wonder if that's a new one. It's the only thing I think I don't have is legendary weight reduction right now on me. Oh, that was it. Can't do no more. Let's check out some of these cars I got. Got a couple of these. Just got that. That's my truck. It's LS swapped just for you Ford fans. Oh, no, never mind. It's Nissan swapped. Make you even more mad. EcoBoost fans right there, huh? I got a bunch of these. Let's see. You gotta get these through the 600 gold crates. That's the only way you're gonna get this. That is the only way you are able to get this right now. The Bluebird is still messed up. It's glitched out. It doesn't give you the car. You complete it, yeah. It doesn't give you the car. It's been glitched out like that for a while. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you guys. Sorry. Y'all saw me get like 20 of these Lotuses. I already had one. Now I just got, what, 4? So, already had that. Everybody got a bunch of these. So, let's see. I already had this black one. I already had this one. See the difference? Ooh. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. So, these two are the new ones. I had a black one, and it's that one. That one's just body kit. I just left it there. Then these, I've had 2 of these. Y'all saw it give me like 3-4 Corvettes. I got one of these. Told y'all I already had one. So, this is the next vehicle you can get right here. This is the coming soon vehicle that you'll be able to get and unlock. It's a V10. So, y'all saw me get a bunch of these Corvettes. Don't need them. Every single one of them's freaking stock. Same thing, too. Way too many of them. Same thing with this Mustang. I see way too many of these Boss 302s. Only got one of them, so that's cool. Only got one of them. I had to buy that one, I think. I had a green one that I bought, too. Where's that one? Okay, never mind. We're getting back sidetracked. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all saw it give me all these. It's pretty color green right there. It's almost like what they got in real life. No, sorry about the vehicle. And then some of these, some Huracans. See, and that proves, see that new car right there? That proves it's one you can buy. So, I got a bunch of these that I could have just went out and bought. So, Ferraris, F40s. These are super rare. I don't know why it's only $12,000. Like, these are super rare. And I got some freaking drop tops. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. And I got a bunch of these. You know, this is the best way to get money is by doing this race over and over again. Get a bunch of them. So that means that's the second version of a freaking Murcielago. See, there's this Mercy. That one's 3.7, so I don't even know what I paid for that. Let's not even get into it. That one's 400. That one's 770. That one's an SB though, right there. My Paganis. I just need that one Pagani and I got all 3 of them. It's my Viper. Got 2 of them. Yeah. RX-7. Now, this is the crate one. There's a difference. Alright? This one is the one that you're going to unlock by winning the race. The crate one's different. You don't get this livery. You don't get this livery on this at all. At all. Alright. Some other Dodge Vipers. Y'all saw me get one. I think I already had 2. My Nismo. I didn't actually have one of these till y'all saw me get one. So it's cool I got one now. I like the little colors it comes in too. That's cool. That's real cool. Yeah, super cool. I already had one of these. Now I got 2 of them, both stock. Man, we didn't win one of those. That's a rare car. You don't want to keep that. That's okay. This car is fire. If y'all get one of these in a crates, like early on the game, like you just started and get one of these, use this. This is a Hennessy. Use that. A lot of people get it confused with a Lotus. That Speedtail, I can't wait to put in work with that Speedtail. New car to me. There you go. Got that. I believe I already had that one. Yeah. So I got all them. All them. Guess I got 2 of these. I could sell one, I guess, but why would you want to sell a Bugatti? But alright, well, that's my garage. Hope y'all enjoyed the show. Hope y'all enjoyed the crate openings. Appreciate you. Peace out.